Yo, starting off with Everybody Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be Jack in the Box going 12 miles. How I'm the best driver for this order, couldn't tell you. I got it as soon as I launched the app, so maybe I'm just lucky. I don't think the lobby's open yet. Hopefully not, because I don't want to get out of my car.
Hi, may I help you?
Yeah, I just have a DoorDash pickup.
Can I go to the window, please?
Thank you. Thank you. We got one meal going 8 miles after the restaurant. So you know this is going to be a good order. Yeah, what did I expect? 50-cent tip. Total was $9. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 9 miles. This one's probably just as bad, to be honest. Got a feeling this door's not unlocked yet, because I got here right as the lobby's supposed to open up.
The last three?
177?
Yes.
Thank you. Me too. It was pretty similar to last order. Total for that was $9, but they actually tipped, so thank you. This next order is a Starbucks going 5.5 miles. Apparently the lobby's still closed. Not sure why, but okay.
This one has the drinks. Be careful. 2 bags.
Thank you. I said I wasn't sure why, because pretty much every Starbucks is open at like 4 in the morning or something. Most coffee shops are, right? Total for that was $4. Another great order. Subway going 14 miles. You got me f***ed up. Is there like nobody else on the road right now? What's happening? Give me all the trash orders, and then once I decline the worst one, I don't get anything for the next 15 minutes? I see. Okay, here we go. Finally got the next order. This is an IHOP, $10 going 4 miles.
Who are you picking up for?
Ashley?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
There it is.
Thank you. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, 3 items. Looks like we've got 2 things of ice cream and some Hawaiian rolls. That'll make some interesting sandwiches. I don't know about you guys, but I love Hawaiian rolls. Probably one of my favorite types of bread. Next up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's going 7 miles.
Hi.
Hi, I've got Sandy.
Awesome.
Hand it to me. Oh boy. Call from gate so I can let you in. Oh boy.
Good morning.
Bro, seriously?
Hi, I'm coming right down. I'll see you in a sec.
Total for that was $9. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 5 miles. Hello. Yeah, for Catherine.
There's an order right there.
Thank you. Leave at reception desk in... Okay. They will buzz you in. Please... Okay. Okay.
Come on in to the left.
Okay, thank you. Total for that was $5 and change. I don't think we had a spectacular order yet today. Next up, we've got a nectar juice bar. This one is going 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that last order was $8, and we got the next one right away. This is Black Rock Coffee going 4 miles. Hello. Yeah, Amanda?
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Total for that order was $5 and change. Still waiting for that special unicorn to show up and bless me with a decent order. Just got the next order. This is a Muchas Gracias going less than 2 miles. Okay, I just got here and they're giving me an add-on for Kitchen Table Cafe going an extra 2.5 miles. Got a feeling the Kitchen Table Cafe is gonna be a bit of a wait, so I'm just gonna chill in my car. Actually, I need a pee, so never mind. Thank you. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Someone didn't tip there. Total for those two was $12. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 2 miles. No tip. Total ended up being $4. We've got a Gravity Coffee, only one drink, going 2 miles. This most likely is going to be a no tip as well.
Sometimes they like to separate, so if you just give it a little swirl before you hand it off, it'll be good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you
Thank
are.
you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Oh, there was actually a tip on that. Total was $5. Just got the next order. This is Caesar Bagel going 3.5 miles. I just got here and they gave me an add-on order. This one's going an additional 2 miles.
Okay, Christina's ready. Rachel, we're still working.
Gotcha, thank you.
That for Rachel S.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Right on, brother.
There you are.
Much.
Total for those two orders was $12. Okay, that was pretty decent. And we got the next order right away. This is Muchas Gracias going 9 miles. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Total for that was $11 and change. Was it worth it? Eh. Next up, we've got a Panda Express going less than 4 miles. Hello. Yeah. For Michaela? Yeah. Thank you, you too. Oh, they got what I usually order from Panda too. They got the chow mein with the teriyaki chicken and broccoli beef. Yum. Total for that order was $6 and change. I am really far away from home, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it here. Current time is 10:27. Total, we are at 1:22. Bro, this road is so bumpy. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.